So the question is, arrange the following in order of KB value. So we have to arrange these three in the order of KB value. So we will see all these three. So answer will be, first we will see the P. So in here we can see that N, it is SB2 hybridized, as lone pair is considered for hybridization. So the lone pair is not conjugation. Now if we see Q, so here the nitrogen contains 3 sigma bond and its hybridization is sp2. Since the lone pair is delocalized inside the ring, it does not take part in hybridization and make this compound to be aromatic in nature. So this can be considered as this, and it is sp2 hybridized. Then we will see the third. Here no delocalization of lone pair, as hybridization is sp3. Here hybridization is sp3. So we see the higher the p character, more is the basic in nature. We know this. So according to this, the order will be R, then P, then Q. So answer will be R, then P, then Q.